Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you the different types of spin bowling in cricket. So without wasting any other time, let's get started. So the first thing is regular off spin. Let me show you how to catch on the ball for the regular off spin. For it, you need to take the seam, put your 3 fingers on it. I'm going to show you like this, 3 fingers, and just you're gonna throw it like this. Nicely spin it with your wrist. Alright, I'll bowl one ball to my friend, he'll bat and he'll show you how to face the ball. So let's get going.
So guys, now the first one will be the off spin. So I will show you the way the ball will pitching and the way the batsman will be taking the ball. So first we have to take the stance, batsman has to take the stance. If you don't know how to take the stance of the basic batting, so there will be I button over here, so you can check out that video. So first take the stance and get ready for the ball. See, as you can see, the ball was pitching over there and the batsman was taking the ball over here. So the ball turning is this much. So the ball pitching over, it will be a wide ball. So don't do that much wide bowling. So take it as close as much the batsman is, so that it will come close to the batsman. So it will be difficult to play the ball with the batsman. See, as you can see, the ball was little bit closer to the batsman, so it was difficult to judge the ball. It will be spinning offside or the leg side. It will be coming up, or it will be the ball lowing.
So guys, the next one is the carom ball. You must know that famous cricketer spinner Ashwin bowls it regularly. The difference is that the ball doesn't turn to the leg side, it just goes the opposite and turns off to the offside. For bowling that delivery, you need to hold the ball like this and spin it the other way like this. And now I'll show you how to bowl that delivery.
So guys, the next bowling will be the carom ball, which is bowled by the off spinner. So guys, this will be a simple trick for the bowler, so that the bowler is going off spinner. So the batsman will be playing with 3-4 balls with the off spinner. So it will be, the batsman will be judging the ball will be coming towards the batsman. So he will be judged by every ball that he will be coming towards. So this technique will be the carom ball, that is, it will be going outwards. So if the ball is pitching over there, the batsman will be thinking that it will be coming inside. So if the ball is carom ball, if you think it is coming inside, that it will be a wrong judgment that it will be going outside. So I will show you the technique. See, as you can see that I thought of bowling that will be coming towards me, but it has been going wide from the batsman. See, as you can see, I thought the ball will be coming straight or the inverse direction. So it will be, I made a wrong judgment that it will be coming towards the batsman, but it went wide from the batsman.
Okay. So the next one is the leg spin. You need to bowl the leg spin. For the leg spin, you need to hold the ball like this. Okay, how do you show you like this? And spin it out like this. Like this. You have to catch the ball or the seam completely. The seam should be covered completely, and you have to deliver it like this. Okay, I'll show you how to bowl that, and my friend will face it.
So guys, the third one will be the leg spin. So leg spin will be commonly opposite to the off spin. So off spin will be coming inwards. The leg spin will be going to the outwards. So guys, as you can see, the ball was pitching over there. If the off spinner will be pitching over there, it will be going way away far, right? So the leg spinner ball always over here, so that it will come from leg side to the off side. So that it's called as leg spin. So the batsman has to play as outgoing wards. So as you can see that batsman was very difficult to play that ball leg spin, because he tried to stop the ball over there, but it got leg spin and it got touched to the edge of the bat. So there are more chances to get a catch in the slip.
So guys, the next one is the left arm off spin. Yes, the left arm off spin. It is the same as the right arm off spin, but it's for the left-handers, as you know. And the same, you need to catch the seam like this and bowl it.
So guys, the next one will be the left arm off spin. So it will be basically like left arm bowler trying to make off spin. So it will be basically it will be a leg spin for the batsman. But it will be very difficult to judge the batsman to judge the bowler by the batsman. So because it has left hand, so he can't focus on the left hand and the wrist. So as you can see, this has not made that much turn, but it tapped over, ball came over here and it turned till the batsman. So if the bowler is able to twist more wrist action, so it will be more turning will be there. So if the bowler the ball pitch over there, if turning is more there, it will obviously come over the off stump. See, as you can see, the ball was pitching here and it came till here.
So guys, the next one is the Chinaman, or the left arm leg spin, popularly known as Chinaman delivery. The same thing as the right arm leg spin, but this is in the left arm. I'm going to ball it, and I'll show you how to. My friend will show you how to face.
So guys, then last one will be the left arm leg spin. So this left arm leg spin will be like this action. So it will be like off spin to the batsman. So as you can see, the bowler bowled on the off stick or the middle stick, in between the off stick and middle stick, and went away from the leg stump. So as you can see guys, the ball was pitching over there and it came towards the batsman. So this will be the left arm leg spin.
So guys, that's what is all the spin deliveries in cricket, as much as I know. If you know any other, please drop it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.